TV sound has always been so frustrating because you constantly need to play with the remote control because you never know when the sounds would go high or the dialogues cannot be heard and you have to again increase the volume. So that's the game that we have all been struggling with whilst watching TV and getting the sound only from TV. Now, for that reason, sound bars became very popular in this home theater market because they could enhance the TV sound in a manner wherein you could get a better audio experience at the same time get rid of the TV remote problems, right? But because the soundbars became popular, there have been tons of options when you actually try to buy any soundbar online. That leaves us all confused as to what you should really buy for your living room or bedroom or media room. Now, in this particular video, I am going to help you with the best soundbars of 2021, and we have categorized it in a specific manner wherein I have got one soundbar for each one of you. Yes, we have got ranges which is from budget product to a high-end product. We have got a 2-channel system, 3-channel system to a Dolby Atmos system. We have got music soundbar as well as movie soundbar. We have also worked out on combination of rooms like small room soundbars to big room or large room soundbars. So that's the way we have distributed today's best soundbars of 2021 in this particular video. Soundbars are wireless home theater systems which are very easy to connect, are convenient to place or install, and can create a virtual surround sound experience for you in your homes or in your rooms along with the TV. Yes, that is soundbar for you. The soundbars that we are going to mention today in this best soundbars list of 2021 are all hi-fi soundbars. So do make a note of it because these products are going to be one of the best soundbars that you will ever buy. So the very first category is the best budget soundbar category, and our top pick in this particular category is Yamaha YS209. Yes, Yamaha YS209 is a Wi-Fi soundbar which comes with Alexa control and has got Bluetooth built in. Now this particular soundbar also comes with a wireless subwoofer so that you have the flexibility of placing the subwoofer anywhere in the room, and all it needs is a power socket. Now YS209 with the Wi-Fi and Alexa built-in control gives you an option to play back music over the Wi-Fi network. The reason why this is at a best budget soundbar category is because the price of the soundbar is only rupees 37,490 rupees and is one of the best product to invest at that price to get the benefits of Wi-Fi, Alexa, Bluetooth, and a great 3D immersive sound experience. So Yamaha YS209, the 200 watt soundbar, is our best pick for the best budget soundbar. The second category is best soundbar for large space, 300 square feet and above. You need a very powerful driving force, and that is where a Bose Soundbar 700 does a fantastic job in delivering or fulfilling the sound experience in that environment. The Bose Soundbar 700 comes with AirPlay 2 support. It has also got Wi-Fi for your Android playbacks. It has also got Bluetooth, HDMI, ARC, all these features inbuilt. And not just that, Bose also provides you with the adaptive room calibration, which currently is only available on the iPhone devices. So you can use these iPhones and this app on the iPhone to calibrate the soundbar according to the room. So that's one of the fantastic features of Bose Soundbar 700, which is priced at only rupees 79,000 in Indian rupees and is one of the best soundbars for your large TV sizes, which are 55 inches and above. Because this soundbar is almost 1 meter in width. The only drawback of this is that it does not have a bass module. So yes, you have to spend extra on the bass module. But apart from that, this soundbar without bass also can give you a good music as well as movie quality sound. So Bose Soundbar 700 is our top pick for best soundbar in large spaces. Let us now see the third category, which is best soundbar with wireless surround sound. Yes, and undoubtedly, the winner for this particular category is the JBL Bar 9.1, which has got a fantastic detachable speakers which you can actually place around you in the surrounds, and it has got a battery backup of 10 hours, which means that you can watch at least 3 to 4 movies back to back, and it's a perfect combination for binge watching with your TV applications because it has also got Atmos support and an HDMI eARC feature. JBL Bar 9.1 has got actually 9 speakers. You have got 3 speakers on the main bar along with 2 speakers sitting on top of it. Then you have got the surround bars or the surround detachable speakers, which has got side surrounds as well as 2 speakers on top of it, which makes it again Atmos enabled. So this soundbar is actually a 5.1.4 configuration, which also comes down to 9.1 channel, and that's why they name it as JBL Bar 9.1. To know more about this product, you can also use the link above, wherein we have discussed thoroughly about the JBL Bar 9.1. The powerful punch that comes from this 10 inches down-firing wireless subwoofer is really superb, and it can actually cause a great thunderous effect in your living rooms or bedrooms, and that's why JBL Bar 9.1 is our only and the only pick. Now priced at around 1 lakh rupees, earlier it was 90,000, they have increased the price to 1 lakh rupees now, is till date one of the hot selling soundbars in Indian markets. So that is our pick for best soundbar with wireless surround sound. Now let us move on to the fourth category, which is best soundbar for music application. Now there are many people who actually buy soundbars not just for the TV sound, but they also need to play good music from their phone or from any other devices, and they need a very decent sounding, good tonal quality soundbar. And to do this job, there is no other product which is as good as the Sonos Arc. Yes, Sonos Arc is not just a Dolby Atmos soundbar, but it is also one of the fantastic soundbars for music application, for the sheer music quality that comes out from the Sonos speakers. Now Sonos worldwide was one of the most pioneering brand in the multi-room segment, wherein you can buy speakers in each room and can get it on to the Sonos app wirelessly and control or do a playback of music in each room separately. So Sonos Arc is amongst the same family, though it came in late into the Dolby Atmos segment, but no doubt it came in with strong features as well as strong sound. So Sonos Arc is the go-to soundbar for music quality, and it is priced at around 87,000 Indian rupees. Couple of drawbacks of the Sonos Arc is that it needs a separate bass module for the subwoofer effect, and you need to buy the mounts extra, just the way you have to do it in Bose Soundbar 700 as well. So now let us move on to the next category, which is the best Atmos soundbar category. Now you would wonder that we have already spoken about a couple of soundbars which are already Atmos enabled, and now what would we talk about in this particular category? But guess what? We have got a fantastic winner in this particular category as well, which is Sony HT-Z9F. Now Sony HT-Z9F is traditionally a 3.1 channel soundbar, wherein you have got only 3 speakers or 3 drivers on the front panel. But with Sony's vertical surround sound technology, this soundbar can actually, the Sony HT-Z9F soundbar can actually create a 7.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos experience, which is fantastic. The subwoofer is again great, which is a wireless subwoofer. But one of the best things that I liked about this particular soundbar was its remote control, which is loaded with tons of features, with EQ presets for movies, sports, games, etc., and has got a power of 400 watts. Yes, 400 watts output power is a fantastic power that you can get from this Sony HT-Z9F, and that's why this model is our top pick for best Atmos soundbar. The only drawback that I see in this soundbar is that it does not have HDMI eARC port with its Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or Google Chromecast, these kind of features. Sony HT-Z9F is the best pick that you can have in the best Atmos soundbar category. Sony HT-Z9F is priced at around 87,000 Indian rupees and is one of the best combination that you can have for your movies along with your TV in your living rooms or bedrooms, and it can also cater to larger rooms in your home. Now, talking about rooms, let us also look at a soundbar which is actually known for small room size. Are you excited? Polk Audio Magnify Mini, which is our top pick in the best soundbar for small room purpose. Now, Polk Audio's Magnify Mini is just a 13 inches soundbar which comes with a wireless subwoofer and is a fantastic product which has got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, ARC, all these options, and can deliver a fantastic output for music as well as for movies purpose in your small rooms, and can go well with TV sizes below 55 inches. So yes, Polk Audio's Magnify Mini is our top pick in this particular category. This soundbar is priced at only rupees 31,900 in India, and that's why this is our sure shot winner for feature rich as well as sound rich quality soundbar. Now let us move on to our last category of this particular video, which is the best soundbar of 2021. And when I say this, I mean by quality of sound, music, movies, punch, probably not punch to some extent, but yeah, Atmos, surround sound, each and everything. And to sum it up for you, Sennheiser's Ambeo soundbar is the best soundbar of 2021, which you can actually buy. It comes for 2 lakh Indian rupees, but believe me, this 2 lakh rupees is worth it because this soundbar has got 13 drivers. Now Sennheiser's Ambeo soundbar is actually a 5.1.4 soundbar, which is all built in one sleek bar, and this soundbar has got 13 drivers inside, which actually throw sound everywhere around you. And they use Sennheiser's 3D immersive audio technology to do the room calibration, and it can actually create a realistic virtual surround sound experience wherein you will actually feel that you have got speakers all around you. Yes, that's the power of this particular soundbar, that is Sennheiser's Ambeo soundbar, and that's why when you have to shell out 2 lakh rupees for this soundbar, you might not feel the pinch for the sound quality that it can deliver, as well as the sound segregation that it can create as a virtual surround sound experience. The only drawback of this soundbar is obviously that it does not have a subwoofer, a separate wireless subwoofer for the low frequencies, though they have given you an RCA port wherein you can connect any 20,000-30,000 rupees subwoofer to it if you need that extra punch, and can still enjoy a very great home cinema experience in your living rooms, bedrooms, theater rooms for a fact, or a media room. And Sennheiser's Ambeo soundbar, for that reason, is the best soundbar of 2021. Now with this, we come to an end of our series of best soundbars of 2021. If you have found out the right product for your room, for your application, for your budget, make sure to let us know in the comments below. And if at all you need more guidance as to what you need to shop, or what are the things that you need to consider while buying soundbars, then make sure to subscribe to our channel right here, right now. Because in our next video, we are going to help you with the right steps of evaluation for identifying the right soundbar for your room and for your budget. That's it from my end, guys. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant from Touchwood Automations, will see you all in my next video.